awesome. Dudes, I'm telling you, I'm in a perfect spot because I'm looking out a one-way window right now. And the sight that I am beholding, and they don't even know that I'm looking at them. Anyway, we are here to sight in this gun. Let's get to shooting. I've got my target set up down there, supposedly at 35 feet. I think 35 feet, probably plenty. They say the range won't go any farther than that. Looks like it'll go farther than that to me, but that's alright. We'll do try it at 35 feet. At least we can get this thing sighted in to hopefully where I'm hitting what I'm shooting at, right? Got these big, humongous cellular and bellet. They are a 255 grain. There you go. Definitely put on the hearing protection in here. And they make you wear eye protection too, I guess is good. So, while the target is coming back to me, whew, I can relax for a minute. I'll show you what I've been doing here. Pretty cool. Man, this gun, I kind of flinch every time I shoot it. I'm like pulling down. But check out this target. Okay, we have the first shot was over here. So it was way left. I was aiming for that square and I shot way left. Second shot was down here, so way low, and I think I really flinched on that one. Third shot was right here. So I moved it over a little bit closer. And then I started adjusting it up. And the fourth shot was right here. Now mind you, that's aiming at this square. And the fourth shot, I kind of leaned on this wall for a little brace because I know that I am flinching when I pull the trigger. So we're going to raise it just a hair bit and go to the left just a hair bit. Try it again. Here we go. Let's do it again. I flinched again. I'm going to shoot it again before I bring it back. Actually, that was my fifth shot. I better reload. As they say, 460 mag is no joke. Alright, my target fell off downrange. I don't know if I'm allowed to go out there, but I'm going to. You guys can watch me. got it set at 25 now. I am like, man, I'm having a hard time. Let's see what we're doing. Now I'm going to aim for the very middle target, see what happens. Hate to say it, but I think I'm wasting ammo. Still shooting to the left. Okay, it looks like I'm exactly on. I'm just to the left. So hopefully we're better now. Let's hope, because I only got 6 more bullets. Still looks like it's right in line. I just need to move it over some more. Go. My friends, looks like we've got it. Let's check this out. And then we'll probably shoot a couple more times. So as you can see, we got several right here, a few over here to begin with, and we moved it over here, one up there, but the last 2 right here. So I'm thinking maybe a little bit more of an adjustment, but I think we're about good. I've only got like 3 shots left anyway, so let's make a small adjustment and see where we're at. Show you that last shot. We're just about perfect now. Good things, that was my last bullet. Take it home, and if I need to adjust a little bit, I can, but we should be good. So I was shooting a ton at this one. Did okay. I moved it over a little bit, and then I aimed at this one, and we got right there. So it's kind of hard to adjust that screw because it doesn't really have clicks, it just turns. But that's not too bad. We'll go home and see what we can do now. Okay. This is Gun 66. Watching. We'll see you next time.